What I wish I knew in science class? While T-Rex was roaring, the moon was literally lit up with lava. Forget just meteors, there was action in the sky too. Imagine this. 100 million years ago, Earth wasn't the only place with wild eruptions. The moon had giant volcanoes, spewing out oceans of lava, so much that it shaped those dark spots you see on the moon today. While dinosaurs like Triceratops munched on ferns, the moon's surface was glowing red-hot with volcanic action. Scientists call these areas Maria, not people, but huge lava plains. So next time you look up at the moon, remember, those shady spots are leftovers from a fiery past when both Earth and its neighbor were bursting with energy. How cool is that?